Good morning. Hope everyone's having a really nice Saturday so far. We're almost in the time change, so I'll be able to start a little bit earlier, but that's not till next week. So the sun's just starting to peak up. I think it comes up officially at 7, but lots of really cool cars are pulling in, so figured I'd get started with it. Little car over here in front. Got a cool van over here. Let's go check out the van. In the comments, let me know where you guys what we're watching from. You know, a lot of people watch from out of state, out of country. Pretty cool. Bunch of really cool bikes. James, Wayne, PA. Thanks for watching, James. Really pretty sunrise. Got some really cool backdrop with some pretty sweet rides. Got something pulling in over here. Oh, looks like he's driving past. Good looking C10 over here, 6970-ish. Got a Cougar. Good looking Cougar. A little green hot rod pulling in over here. Let's go catch that getting in there. Watch from the UK. Over to see you guys in March. Nice. Looking Foose style hot rod. Nice Cougar. Looking yellow Pantera over here too. Let's go check it out.
It's all electronic.
How often do they run those?
Like once every other month.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Like one of my buddies comes up in San Diego, he'll come up and drive it, then 8 laps hard, and then drive home.
Yeah.
And so it's a lot of and anything you want to drive.
Charlie, good morning. Doug, good morning. Thank you very much for watching, guys.
Rolling start.
Cool F100. Fastback Hertz rent-a-car. I think the Slim Fab ride's going over here. Let's go check it out real quick. He turned it on for us. Always a unique vehicle. Sorry. Draws a nice little crowd. He's brought this here a few times. There you go. Very cool. Nice 57 over here. Now I wanted to see when the sun came up what this root beer Willie's gasser was looking like. Because there's a really cool root beer color, but it's hard to tell. Super nice color.
Oh, yeah.
One of the nicest gassers I've ever seen. Look at Thunderbird. Lee's car over here. Oh, he's a beauty. whole front row's all filled up. David from Lakewood. Good morning, David. Gaines from Kentucky. Yeah, super nice day so far. No complaints so far. Good looking C10 over here too. It's actually for sale. All patina, got an LS in it. It's all dialed. He said he's looking for 26 or something out of it, I think he said. Pretty nice, got an LS in it. I think it says it's a 6.2 out of Escalade. Very nice. Let's go check out this guy, get a little better look at it. Lone Hemi. Beautiful root beer color.
The other side of the wheels.
What was that?
Did you see the other side?
Yeah.
I couldn't make up my mind, and I just decided to.
You got two different wheels on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, how funny.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. These ones are dark.
I was trying to make up my mind, and
They're all blacked out.
then I got. Well, these are 5-spoke, and those over there are all dish.
Yeah. Those are cool.
Couldn't make up my mind, and then I got too lazy to change them back. Then I decided to let everyone see what the different looks of the gas ones were.
Looks really nice on the inside as well.
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, very nice. Oops, sorry, excuse me. 56 Nomad right next to it. Good looking Crown Vic over here as well. Morning. This guy's for sale. 39 Packard.
Great booster, man.
The details on it, if you can see it. This car's like a really cool, like flaked purple color. It's probably hard to see without the sun all the way out. Pretty full parking lot today. Nice looking 55 pulling in too. C10. Long bed. Paul from New Zealand. Thanks for watching, Paul. Nice looking first gen vet over there.
Oh, yeah.
Here's something coming in. Looks like it's a Bug. Sounds like a turbo Bug. Like and share it up if you can. There you go. Nice turbo system on that guy. So this guy took a Rascal and turned it into a thing.
Buick had these trailing arms.
So how long did it take you to make this thing?
I don't know. I'm gonna say last night a couple hours just to assemble it all. It's all just zip tied together. Really.
Uh-huh.
But once you have the wheelchair base, you can do almost anything. So usually I just have the winch on it, or the motorcycle. This is the first time I stuck them both on there.
They look like a happy couple.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
How'd you make that?
For Halloween. That's awesome.
Look away, I'm with him driving.
Sorry.
Yeah, for some reason I've had the worst luck with this car.
The little girl was looking at it like, what in the heck is that thing? Morning. Look at how nice that is. Super cool maroon color. That thing's not messing around. Look at that shifter. That's really cool. So much cool stuff. Got the Willis Jeep over here. It's got the reservoir shocks up on the cage that's on the inside. Mike, good morning. Nice El Camino for sale.
Like this.
16 seems like a pretty good deal. Nice looking El Camino. Morning. Is your El Camino? That's really nice. I think that's a good price for it too. Yeah. It is a 66. There are the details if you are interested. Good looking car.
Our own mechanic.
56 convertible right next to it. Full lot today. Like it up and share it up if you can. If you're a Facebook friend, want to check out some cool cars. Cool K5. Hey, what's up?
Hey, bro.
Nice
How
to
are
see
you?
Good, nice to see you. 57 Buick. Beautiful car. Super, super clean. cool split bumper. Got Steve's truck over here. Lime green Cuda. Yeah, you know what? I saw it pull in, but I don't think I've seen it yet. So when I see it, I definitely will. Mike's 52 Tudor, which is for sale. Good looking car. 16K. There are the details on it if you are interested. Good looking car. Good looking Nova too. Also for sale, 64. Centerbolt 350-ish. Looks like in it. People still pulling in. And when this lowrider pulled it in, I want to check it out. It is really, really just the amount of detail that goes into some of these lowriders is just crazy. Top's all done. Amount of different layers of paint and flake and gold leaf and all kinds of stuff. Sure is nice.
This is more. This is more. Do you look into it? This might.
I have not seen your lime green Cuda yet. No, it's mine.
Oh, I figured. What? You got rid of your Dodge and your new daily?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Well done.
Yeah. You know, you got to make some changes once in a while. Nice K5. Does this qualify as like a carpool friend, or?
She says I can jump her bones when I get her home.
Exactly. There you go. I like it. Lincoln van. Oh, there's a Cuda right there. Buddy's 55. Here, checking in from Norway, Paul. All my friends know the Lowrider. Yeah, that's a really nice one. Lowriders are cool because so much time and effort has gone into them that I think that the people that are into lowriders really, cherish them because there's so much time and effort that goes into the paint on those. It's like unbelievable. And the detail on them, and they're just really cool. And what's cool, I think, about this parking lot is that no matter what you like, you could find something here. If you like original stuff, you're going to see all original stuff from the 50s, 60s, and before. And if you like custom stuff, you'll see that. Pro touring stuff, you'll see that. Weird stuff, you'll see that. Patina. Stuff that somebody just started a project on. Stuff that people are just finishing. Stuff that people have not finished. Get a picture of Ray's ride. It's hard to get a picture of Ray's car when so many people are checking it out. That's okay, go ahead.
All right.
Thank you, though. It's hard to get pictures of Ray's car. Too many people are checking it out. All right, we made it over to the Challenger finally. Great looking Challenger.
Bored, huh? That's nice, though. No, I'll be done with it. One of these days. Black and white. Trying to get light.
Did I just see something that they're here? Huh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's just coming up now.
Hi. Hey, you. I wanted to.
Found you.
You found me finally. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see the guy yet?
No.
Go through there. He has a.
Oh, he's like, there's an animatronic.
Two witch things on like an old like Rascal thing. Go check it out. It's really cool. Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah,
You got enough space right here. All right.
Someone on that.
No, it's just all pretend. Can I take a picture of you? I got it.
will ya?
I would love to. You want it sideways or up and down?
I know, man, like that.
All right, let's do it. There you go. You got it, of course.
Is that on remote control?
Yeah, it's on a. I think he said it's on a, like an old Rascal kind of like chair
wow,
thing.
that's great.
This gentleman right here will tell you all about it. I figured you'd be excited about it.
I thought it was. We pulled up and we thought it was kind of scary.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool.
They have animatronics. No, they don't.
Yeah.
That's an old guy in a wheelchair with a cape.
It looked like it, huh? John, good morning.
What's your house look like for Halloween?
Not that much.
Oh. Those are easy.
I'm gonna keep cruising and then I'll be right back.
Georgie wants to say hi to you.
Hi, Georgie.
I'm following you.
Hey, Jason and his wife are here too. Yeah.
Arizona.
Arizona. Jason and the crew. Jason's brought both of his cars. Well, technically this is his wife's car, I guess. Hi. It's Jason's car. Jason's wife's car. This is Jason's car, I guess. Pretty cool. Bite him. Bite him. Bite him.
Hi. We're like not away. Trying to get out as quick as we can.
Hi, Georgie.
That guy with the remote.
This is my wife, Mark.
Oh, hi. She's like, there's animatronics.
Got a 427 bug over here.
Child seat been in the front.
Hey, you. That's nice that you guys came.
I surprised you, but then I was like,
Hi. I'm glad that I saw it come down in the feed thing.
I saw
oh
you.
yeah.
You saw us here? What's up, man?
Then I ran towards you.
Yeah. Do you see that really sweet lowrider over there? Oh, did you? There's a really. I know you have a really bunch of really cool pictures of lowrider. There's a really cool one like right over there.
Daddy, we get a funny car behind you.
I know that one's cool, huh? It's got some cool lights. Did you see that lowrider over there? It's really nice. I think you'd like it. Come check it out.
Look at the donut.
For the
Look at.
Oh yeah. That's the first hardtop convertible car we built.
Are you
Yeah.
okay? You want to put my sweatshirt on? Morning. Cover yourself up.
Georgie's excited.
Daddy already bought them in the car.
No, I did not, but that right there.
That's my excuse.
Oh, there you go. Go check it out. It's really cool.
It's very hard to watch them.
Hey, who parked like a jerk over there with their black car?
This asshole. Because I fucking can.
That's funny.
I'd rather park like that than drive down here.
I agree. Well, everybody has their own thing, but you know.
Donut Derelicts.
What's up, man? I saw you pull in. Nice to see you.
You too.
All right, we need to go check out Black Betty over here. That's one thing we didn't do.
I gotta go, guys.
Got a nice 55 over here. 55 gasser. And get the kids donuts, that's for sure. Got Black Betty over here. Just recently picked this up. It draws a crowd, that's for sure. Here's beautiful.
Well, the Chip Goose here ones. He's been here about 2 years ago. 34.
Cool clock in the rear view. That's really cool. The view driving that thing.
No. Flathead, I don't know. Beach rod. Got blower on it. Hard to clock to find speed. Guys like that,
Lovely.
Sorry about that.
Lots of different adjectives.
Yes, a lot of different ones could describe that.
Yeah.
I would say,
rat rod.
well, looks comfortable.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's not
It's like rat rod gone luxury.
yeah.
It's a good sound 5-liter Mustang. Rolling in my 5.0. I like this. All original. Yeah, that's nice. Nice Bonneville. Super clean. Oh, buddy. Hey, I think you should be driving. I think you believe this
that's
is
my size.
This would look good.
I was thinking the Jeep over there was my size. And so
Yeah.
I couldn't see in it. I had to jump.
Yeah. This is Steve's size for sure.
Well,
Yeah.
I can get in and out of it, no problem. There we go with the short joke. And look at that.
You know, man.
Very cool. I think it's pretty sick, huh? I know you've been to a couple shows where you got some really cool pictures of some of those lowriders. Yeah, those are nice. I think we're going to stop for this morning. I'm going to walk around and take some pics. Thank you very much for watching. Talk to you guys next time.